Hey friends, today I'll create 4 of my favorite super easy low buns that you can recreate in a minute. Don't forget to tell me in the comments down below which one was your favorite. So let's jump in. For the first one, we want to grab all our hair into a low ponytail. Tying our hair once, I'll suggest you to use a stretchy elastic. So we want to tie it once like I'm showing, and we want to bring our hair up, creating a mini bun, then bringing our hair down. You want to tie it one more time, making sure everything is nice and smooth. Then grabbing the ends, you want to wrap it around your bun and tuck it into the elastic the ends. If your hair is longer than mine, make sure to wrap it several times. Now you want to stretch a little bit your bun and pin it from the sides. For our second bun, we want to tie our hair. And last time, pull your hair just a little bit through like so. Then grabbing the ends, you want to bring it up, twist it lightly and tie it with a clear elastic. Now you want to twist your created loop and bring created loop through our mini bun. Tighten, and then you want to grab the end. You want to tuck it into the elastic, or if your hair is longer, you want to wrap it around your bun and then tuck it into the elastic, the ends. For the next one, we want to tie our hair. On last time, make sure to pull the hair just a little bit through, bring it a little bit up and bring up your ends. Now you want to begin twisting your ends around your elastic to hide it. And last time, make sure to bring your ends through the elastic underneath to secure it, and then you want to twist and pull a little bit your created bun. For the next one, we want to make a low ponytail. Make sure to make it loose, then pull your hair halfway through like that, make an opening, creating a pocket, and then bring your hair through this created pocket like I'm showing. Make sure to smooth everything down with your fingers so nothing shows through, and then grabbing an elastic. I decided to use a scrunchie. Mine is very tight. I'll tie everything just once, pinch and pull, make everything beautiful looking, and voila! Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget to tell me in comments down below which one was your favorite. But that's it for today, and love you so much, and see you soon in my next one. Bye!